Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Outlook views. Let's access our Outlook app. Click on the View menu. As you can see, it offers you some options. You are going to go to the Messages section, configure whether the messages will be visible in conversation mode or individually. If you change something, the change will be automatic. Now, adjust whether to preview each email received or not. After this, go to the Layout section. You have much more personalized options. In the ribbon, you will be able to use the classic or the simplified option. After this, go to the Layout section. You have much more personalized options. In the ribbon, you will be able to use the classic or the simplified option. In the last section, you have some options to customize the use of Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.